Hey guys, what's happening? How to convert video to audio in Capcut Mobile. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Capcut and make sure to open up a new project. Okay, now what I'm gonna do in order to add audio or convert this video, for example, to an audio, I'm gonna click the video, right? And you're gonna see multiple tools at the bottom. Swipe left, and you're going to be able to see a button that allows you to extract audio, and you're going to be able to extract audio out of this video. Okay, but if you want to add audio, different audio or different video, and add an audio to that video specifically, like you take one file, right, or you take one video, one different video, and extract audio out of it, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click the arrow right here to go back, and you're going to be able to see the multiple options. I'm going to go ahead and click audio right here, and then you're going to be able to see multiple options from here. Go ahead and click extract. Okay, and I'm going to add this video to, I'm going to add this video as an audio, right? I can go ahead and click right here, this circle, and then I'm gonna hit extract and add audio, and basically you're gonna wait for a few moments. Now you added an audio out of your file to include it in this video. Okay, so now you took a different video, right, for your video, but the difference is you turned the other video as an audio. You extract it, and now you're gonna be able to play it and hear it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.